Welcome to today's cooking show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, that's exactly what YouTube wants me to say. On with today's video. Today we have a Panko Meatloaf, and it's real simple to do. Right now we're making the glaze, which consists of about a half a cup of ketchup. Great little meal to, it's a great weeknight meal. Be done real easy. Anyway, you want about a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Also, the best thing about meatloaf is, well, meatloaf sandwiches, which I don't know what's the difference between them and burgers, but whatever. Anyway, whisk this together and set aside. Okay, now for the meatloaf. We have 2 pounds of ground beef. To that, I'm adding about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, however you pronounce it. About a 1/4 cup of ketchup. To that, I'm going to be adding 2 eggs. Nice little binding agent. And then I'm going to be adding a cup of Panko breadcrumbs. You can find these at any grocery store. Then the seasoning is a teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon powder, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, a teaspoon of black pepper, and of course about a half teaspoon of salt. Oh, and a tablespoon and a half of onion powder. I added 3 cloves of minced garlic. And now I'm going to add the paddle attachment, lock it into place, and mix this on low until everything is combined. Oh, by the way, you should be preheating the oven to 350 degrees. All right, now time to add our meatloaf to a meatloaf pan. If you don't have these, I highly recommend them. You can get them on Amazon for like 14 bucks. Anyway, time to slide this into our preheated 350 degree oven, and you want to bake this for 45 minutes. All right, and after the 45 minutes is done, we are going to brush on glaze, then slide this back in for a further 30 minutes and glaze about every 10 minutes of that 30 minutes. Then pull it out and, of course, let it rest. Resting is important. And got a couple of slices on our plate. And then just fries. And that's it. Panko meatloaf. Done.